With your notebook and a pencil or a pen, we're going to write today's date at the top of the paper, April 2nd, 2020. And we're going to do another problem string with a ratio table. So this time we're going to talk about cases of bubbly water, like LaCroix. So let's say their store is selling a case of bubbly water, and each case has 26 cans in it. So we're going to say number of cases, and we're going to say total cans. And then we'll have our line that goes across. You could also do it going down, but for today we're going to go across. And we're going to say for every one case, there are 26 cans. So how many are going to be in two cases? You buy two cases of these bubbly waters. One case has 26. We are multiplying by 2. We're going to double this number. So go ahead and do that work. 26 plus 26 is 52. And now we're going to ask how many are in 4 cases. If I bought 4 cases, when we do our 4s, we know that we can double. So we could double this 52 right here, because 2 times 2 is 4. So 52 times 2 is 104. So we are doubling along. So I bet you can guess what my next number is. You got it. 8 cases. If I bought 8 cases of bubbly water, that would be a lot of bubbly water. What could we do to figure out the 8? Can we double 104? Sure can, because 4 times 2 is 8. So 104 times 2 is 208. Excellent. Now I'm going to stop with this pattern of doubling, and we're going to go to 10. And you remember, anything times 10, you take the number and attach a 0. So our answer here is going to be 260. Now I'm going to use that information to figure out what 9 times 26 is. So if someone were to ask you, what's 10 times 26? That's pretty simple, right? You just attach a 0. But if someone were to say, what's 9 times 26? You probably wouldn't be able to do it as quickly. I know I couldn't. But if I did 260, if I did 26 times 10 first, so we're going to write this down underneath here. We're going to show how 9 times 26 is equal to 10 times 26 minus 1 times 26. So we would say 10 times 26 is 260, and we're going to take away one of those cases. So we're taking away 26 cans. So 260, take away 26. Go ahead and do that work. Composite. Hopefully you got 234. So if you remember, this is what we call the over strategy, where we are finding an equation by solving a different equation first, by going over, because 10 is so much friendlier than 9. And we could do the same thing if we did 199. So 100, whenever you're multiplying 100 by something, you take that number and you attach the 2 zeros 2,600. And we can do the same thing we did with the 9 with 99. So down here, we'll write it out down here. 99 times 26 is equal to 100 times 26, taking away one of those sets. So we know that this is 2,600, and this is 26. And so you should pause it, subtract 26 from this number, and you should get 2,574. Did you get that? All right. So now, if you would like a challenge, you could do one on your own. Let's see about 9 times 17. If you were to solve 9 times 17, you could do 10 times 17 and then take away a set. Give it a try, and then you'll do some workbook pages. Thanks.